morning. It's a beautiful morning here in North Idaho in my little pop-up camper, camping just off of Bonami Creek. And it is gorgeous out, making the morning cup of coffee. And I saw the other day that some folks didn't know, some of the younger folks, they don't know how you make coffee. Or they saw one of these, they had no idea what it was used for, so just thought I'd do a short little video on how you make coffee. I'm certainly no expert, but I got the basics down. Basically, this is a coffee pot, and you make your coffee by boiling hot water. You put the desired amount of water inside of there. Then this little thing here, you see it's got a hole in it. As the water boils, it gets drawn up that tube and dispersed. This percolator, this clear little plastic thing, that's so you can see the color of the coffee, get to the strength you want, and to verify that it's boiling and percolating. So the percolating process is aided by, you put this little thing here, and this basically holds your coffee. Put your coffee in there, like so. And you put this little lid on, and it's like a lid strainer. It disperses the boiling water that's coming out of this tube over the coffee, soaks through, and then the strained coffee goes back down into the main container, and that's your coffee. There you go. All right, just started getting this assembly ready. I started boiling it, so let's put that back on. And this is a little cheaper one. It's a little smaller. This is my late father's, and it's obviously for a serious coffee drinker. And yeah, once that's percolating, we'll get a photo of that coffee doing its thing. I've got the heat on maximum, propane heat. And we'll check back in a few minutes. It takes quite a long time to actually make coffee this way. It's no, put the K-cup in and press a button, and 30 seconds later you got delicious coffee. This is saw a little action on the percolator already. But yeah, this is going to take probably 20 minutes to make coffee, so we'll check in later. There we go. We've got some percolating action going. Start to see the water starting to turn into coffee. As it gets darker and darker, the longer we boil it, the more water filters down through the grinds. So looks like it's getting pretty close to being done, and it's not quite as long as I thought. Maybe I think it's been 10 to 15 minutes, so not too bad. Let that percolate while I make some eggs. Like it's getting darker. Water has turned into coffee. It's a Christmas miracle. And looks like the eggs are coming along, so alrighty, just a few more minutes, we'll have breakfast, a cup of coffee. Alrighty, let's see if we can't get this poured. Everything gets a little warm since it's been boiling for several minutes. Ooh, looks perfect. Oh yeah. Alrighty, and that is how you enjoy a fresh cup of coffee in North Idaho in the middle of nowhere, Bonami Creek. Arlo, don't drink my coffee. Should we do that again, buddy? You gonna stay out of my coffee? You're ruining the shot. Okay, now his tail's in my coffee. Arlo, the other way. Take two. And that's how you enjoy a delicious cup of coffee in the most beautiful scenery in North Idaho, Bonami Creek. Alrighty. Trey Veston out.